Often the first signs of aging appear around the eyelids, and lot of you are concerned about the sagging around the eyelids, the wrinkles around the eyelids, the puffy eyelids, eye bags, and so many other concerns. And the single and the simplest solution, the surgical solution to this is a blepharoplasty surgery. Now, what is a blepharoplasty surgery? So let me break it down for you in this video. Blepharoplasty is a surgery in which we do a surgical alteration of your eyelids. Now, talking about blepharoplasty, obviously it has to be dealt with in the upper eyelid and the lower eyelid. Some of you may be concerned about only the upper eyelid, or some may be only concerned about the lower eyelid. So let us understand what is it all about. In the upper eyelid surgery, when we have saggy eyelids, then we take away the excess skin and we also reposition the fat if needed. In many cases, a double eyelid surgery is performed so that the monolids, which is mainly of Eastern Asian descent, we can convert into the double eyelid surgery and create that beautiful looking double eyelid fold for you. Now, in the routine blepharoplasty, which is the reversal of sagging eyelids, what we do is that we make a mark and we take away that excess skin, but we also take away a little strip of the muscle, and then we take out the inner eyelid fat bag so that the bump that you see here in the inner corner of the eyelid is also sorted along with this surgery. So what does this surgery do for you? This surgery will make your eyes look more open. There is more tarsal show. Many times my patients will say that, doctor, it is not easy for us to apply the eyeliner anymore. We cannot apply the eyeliner and it gets smudged, and the eyelids, they cover and they come until the lashes. So it is a way in which this droopy eyelid can be lifted and the eyes can look more wide open, thereby making you less aged or less tired. It is a surgery which can be done under local anesthesia, and if you're getting only the upper eyelid done, oftentimes I do it under local anesthesia. It's a quick surgery, roughly takes about an hour, and in 5 days the stitches are removed. You can apply your makeup in about 8 to 10 days time, and generally the recovery from an upper eyelid surgery is not long, and it can give you more fresh look after the surgery. In the lower eyelid surgery, what we do is that we can take away the excess eyelid bag that you have. We can do it from inside of the eyelid so that the scars are not visible. If you have excess skin, then we may have to take away a little bit of the skin under the eyelashes. These scars are barely noticeable after some time. And along with this, we can combine a fat transfer as well as a laser to tighten the eyelid surgery if we are doing only from the inner side and we are not taking away any of the skin. So obviously, all in all, blepharoplasty is a surgery which can make you look more fresh, less tired, and make you look rejuvenated with simple procedures. Now, regarding the cost of eyelid surgeries can vary from $1,500 in my practice until about $3,000 or $3,500, depending on what all we are combining to make you look fresh and give you that rejuvenated look. So a lot of you have been getting botulinum toxin or fillers to have that rejuvenated look, but now you are tired of it and want out. So definitely blepharoplasty is a surgery that you should be opting for. If you like the information that I shared in the video, do comment in the comment box below and share it with your friends so that they can also know how blepharoplasty can benefit them. Thanks for watching.